There she is. Yep, there she is. That's a fat ladybird fish right there. Get a weight on her. I'm trying to shake. She wants to shake really bad. As soon as I let go of her tail, she's gonna shake. She looks like 4 or 6. You guys, on the panfish magnet, I just caught this bass. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? On the freaking, actually trout magnet. Unreal. I cannot believe that. Look at that shit. It's a nice fish. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Look at that. Man, I set the hook and I'm like, holy crap, that's a big sunny. Oh, it's a freaking bass. Look at that shit. That's like a 2-pounder on the freaking panfish magnet. Unbelievable. Jake. It's a 4-pounder. Huh? It's a 4-pounder. Huh? Wow. 413. Oh, I'm recording. Nice. Get her, get her, get her. Yeah, baby. Told you we were gonna catch a big one. On the duck. She wanted that duck, baby. Yeah. You think 5.5? I'm gonna guess like 5.8. On. Lift up on her again.
551.
So, yeah, I said 5 pounds 8 ounces. I was right on that shit. I'm getting good at my weights. It's another really fucking dense one, bro. He's like 3 for sure. Dude, he hammered. Yeah. Yeah, he was nice. I was working it for quite a while, actually. Damn, it's not bad, bro. Come here. Damn, dude. That's a nice one. Fuck. Gavacho. Whew. Big one. Jake! Jake! That is a beast, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at that fish. Choked the Gavacho. Big one. Big fish, you guys. Big fish. 5 pounds, 12 ounces. Hey, I beat you. 5 pounds, 12 ounces. We're on them, you guys. They are eating good, good, good. It's another fat, healthy one. Yeah, she's pushing 4 pounds. Yeah, we're on them today, you guys. My buddy, he just jumped off what he thinks was a 6. Maybe 6.5. Just caught this one. I just caught a 5.12. They are really eating topwater good. I haven't been on a topwater bite this good out here in a while. It's a really promising sign. Conditions are perfect. Got a little breeze, cloud cover. It's cool. These big females are up shallow. They're garden fry, and he's caught all his on a duck. And I've been throwing this Gavacho. They've been hammering this Gavacho too. Got another nice one on the duck, about a 3 pounder.